back to Mrs. Suave. My name is Nika and I'm back with another video. Okay, so on this video we're making chili and coconut rice. This is like a quick meal. It literally probably will take you like 30 minutes to make. It's super easy to make, super quick, and I'm going to be giving y'all the simple directions that I normally follow. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope y'all are well. I hope your family is good, and I hope you're staying positive and happy. I'm so happy to be back and to do this video for y'all. I'm going to be doing a voiceover, so I won't be talking throughout the video. So stay tuned and let's get into this. Alright, so basically these are the ingredients that we're using. Of course, this is not everything because I don't got the seasoning laid out. I just wanted to give y'all like the basics. You need ground beef. You need some diced tomatoes. You also need some chili beans. I got the mixed chili beans that comes with the kidney and the pinto beans and so forth. And then we have the coco de leche milk. I normally like to use I use the McCormick chili powder, and I just use this chili powder because I had it in a pantry. Alright, I just wanted to let y'all know that real quick. You will need to use some chili powder, and I forgot the most important ingredients, y'all. Boom! What's chili without a jalapeno pepper? What's chili without that? And these containers are open because I just did it so that I can get everything out the way. But yeah, let's get this dinner out the bay leaves for decoration. It's up to you though. It's up to you. First, you want to start off with the clean pot. Put your ground beef into the pot so that way you can season the meat before starting up the heat. Many people like to wash their ground beef prior to starting. I prefer to just cook with the ground beef in there, like already seasoned. The heat will kill any germs. So the seasoning that we're using is adobo seasoning, onion powder, slap your mama seasoning, garlic powder, and some salt. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that into the meat before starting up the stove top. As my meat is cooking, I'm noticing a lot of oil, a lot of fat. So for that, I'm just going to drain that out. And once it's completely strained out, I'm going to go back to proceeding to cooking the meat, just making sure that everything is thoroughly cooked. After straining out the meat, I'm noticing that the oils are still there. So I'm going to leave it for some flavor. I'm now going to proceed to add in the diced tomatoes. I'll add in the mixed chili beans. I'm going to give that a quick stir. A little bit of water. It's gonna chop up some jalapeno peppers just to give it a little kick and a little kick. I like my chilies spicy but not too spicy. I'm not using the whole entire jalapeno pepper, but you know, you do need that jalapeno pepper for the flavor. So I'm just adding that in there. And we're just gonna mix that all together. And I also love Maggi seasoning, so I'm just gonna break down or crush in a little bit of a Maggi cube in there as well. Add in some more onion powder and a bay leaf for decoration. and some flavor, of course, and some garlic powder. We're just gonna mix that in. Alright, and I'm just gonna add in some more chili powder just so that it can have that chili flavor as well. Gonna give that a little taste. Missing some salt. Yeah, add some salt and some more onion powder, baby. You can never season too much, okay? It's my business. And we're just gonna add that lid on there and move on to the next task. Now we're gonna move on to the coconut rice. I'm gonna take my beautiful bowl, fill it up with some rice, and add in some water so that I can wash it. And as I'm doing that, I'm also going to create the roux for the coconut rice, which is gonna consist of onion powder and garlic powder. I felt like being lazy today, y'all. Normally I will chop up some real onions, like the green onions and then the garlic, but nah, not today. So I'm just gonna add in some oil and, you know, turn on the stove, of course. The roux ended up browning much sooner than I expected, so I had to work quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and stir that seasoning around before adding in that coconut milk. And then I'm going to give that a stir. As you can see, the seasoning is starting to float on top. And we're just going to stir that in. And I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of more water. And I'll add in the rice as well. So I don't normally measure when I cook. I just eyeball it. I literally go after my instinct and eyeball it. I let my ancestors guide me. I put the seasoning in there until they say it's enough. It's enough. But I just wanted to let y'all know that real quick. And yeah, so right now I'm just adding in the coconut rice, and it looks so beautiful. I love me some coconut rice. Coconut rice just tastes refreshing. It gives you that amazing tropical feel. Looks like our chili is ready. Perfect. And it only took 30 minutes, y'all. And the ingredients are so simple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for the rice to fully cook so I can make myself a nice plate of chili. Ooh. It's like the chili balances out so perfectly with the rice. The rice has like this creamy coconut texture, and y'all gotta try that. Y'all gotta try this. It's bomb. Okay, it's really bomb. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and stay tuned.